Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your watch Fit 4 is paired and has at least half battery. This prevents interruptions during map download. Open Huawei Health on your phone, then the mapping app you use for offline maps. Once done, grant location and storage permissions so the watch can receive map tiles. Now tap the watch's Maps or Navigation app to initiate sync. You're beginning the transfer of selected map areas to local storage, so navigation works without. Next, on your phone, choose the exact area you need offline. Zoom in, drag to enclose routes, or pick a saved city. You should pick map quality intentionally. Lower quality reduces file size for limited watch storage, while higher quality gives better detail for hiking or cycling. Once you start the download, the app prepares tiles and pushes them to the watch via Bluetooth. While it syncs, keep phone and watch close. This ensures fast transfer and prevents corrupted or partial maps. Finally, use the watch's Maps app and switch to offline or saved areas to start navigation. The watch will use stored tiles and onboard GPS for positioning. During use, make sure location is enabled on the watch so GPS locks quickly. Routes and turn prompts continue without cellular service. If something goes wrong, for example, download stalls or maps won't show, restart both devices, re-establish the Bluetooth connection, then retry the download. That single restart often clears sync errors and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.